Today our topic is from quadratic equations, nature of the roots. So I want to explain you first. Already we discussed previous class. So today I want to explain again. So discriminate. Discriminate. First of all, if you observe the graphs here, all graphs are there. Keep it in mind. Quadratic equation, if you plot the points on graph paper, you will get parabola. This is called parabola. This is the most important. Quadratic equations, if you plot the points, if you construct graph, quadratic equation will give you parabola. Most important point, note that point, okay? Because linear equation, if you draw that, you will get straight lines. Linear equation, two variables, we discuss all in previous classes. So you will get like parallel lines or intersecting lines or coincident lines. But quadratic equation in either polynomial chapter, either here. So the concept is both are generally same. That will give you one parabola, like this U shape, curve shape. Keep it in mind, okay? Either towards up, towards down also possible. That is the little bit depth, children. I will explain you in future also, don't problem. When I'm explaining MCQs. Because how towards up? If A is greater than 0, keep it in mind, important point, A is greater than 0. Because we know that generally ax square plus bx plus c, A not equal to 0, we will write. Yes? A not equal to 0. That means if A is positive, A is positive. So diagram is always towards up. Towards up. A is negative. A less than 0. All diagrams towards down. So the same diagram will be there, but you will draw like this towards down. Clear? So if you observe here, there are the parabola intersecting x-axis at two places. Okay? A parabola intersect x-axis at only one point. It's then the third line does not intersect. So what is the difference between these three? So children, the discriminate, when you are doing this, if A is greater than 0, children, we know that this is a positive, more than 0, 2 roots. So is equal to 0, 1 root, but that is a quadratic equation. 1 root means they both are equal roots. So less than 0, so the inside the root you will get negative. So there is no real roots. Now children, please note this. Discriminate. Capital D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So this will decide the nature of the roots. Nature means roots are positive, real roots, or equal roots, or complex roots. It will decide. That is the nature. Simple thing. B square minus 4AC. D greater than 0, 2 roots will come. D is equal to 0, 1 real root. 1 real root means both are equal only. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 like that. Less than 0, 2 complex roots. Josna, is it clear diagram previous slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes?
is the value of I taught in 10th?
Sorry, repeat again.
Is I taught in 10th?
I.
Yes, sir.
No. That is plus 2.
Oh.
Now children, here if you observe that, today very easy topic, very less sums. Okay, don't worry that. Maximum not more than 10 sums. So D less than 0, imaginary roots. So inside the root negative is there. That is I, will indicate I. It's imaginary roots. We will discuss in future, children. Not now. Don't worry about, don't think about that. Just you write imaginary roots enough. So D is equal to 0. Alpha, beta, both values are only one value only. That is rational or equal roots. Equal roots important. Equal roots. So if D greater than 0, there are two are there. If D is a perfect square, D is a perfect square. That means here D value is either 16, either 25, either 100, like perfect square is there. the number answer is rational numbers. Okay, but the is not a perfect square. You will leave like that, root value, root only, root q only. Previous already we did in last exercise. We got last time, I think I remember 33, we got root 33, we left like that. I think starting sum, root 33 is there one sum. So this is that nature of the roots. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac. So this is the formula. So if I took one sum here, x square minus 8x plus 17, b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So 8 square is generally 64. 64 minus, okay, 17 fourths.
68.
So
Minus
you will,
68.
so you will get answer is minus 4. That is a two imaginary roots. Okay, now don't do that. They wrote like this answer, but don't think. Now here they change just 16, one small number. Now we are getting positive answer. Answer is 0. They are reducing like this. You will get answer is 64 minus 60. Here you will get 4. Positive answer, children. 8 is just 64. 54 just 60. So different answer. Just you had right. It's imaginary. Real roots are like this. So all of you got first one is real. Second one is non-real, like imaginary roots.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We'll go to We'll go to sums. Children, don't do this just for understanding. Pranavi.
Yes, sir.
So here, somebody mute children. It's getting disturbance. Yes, thank you. So 4y square plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 1. If you substitute, here answer is positive, 25. So it's a discriminant is positive. That's why you'll get 2 real zeros. We'll do so many sums, don't copy. So this is also like one example. Here also given one example, answer is positive, more than 0. We'll go to now exercise 4.4. First sum and decide and tell me the answer. Start doing. You have textbooks, start doing. So the answer is 3 plus root 3 by 2. 3 minus root 3 by 2. Dishtara, you got answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Shivani, Pranavi, Sufia, you got answers?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Karun, Farhan, Darmin, Ubed.
Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots.
So children, please stop writing. This is important for 2 marks questions, like either objectives and 2 marks questions. So there is a k in the quadratic equation. K is there. They are saying that they have equal roots. Equal roots means what is the condition? Equal roots means
Greater than 0.
Equal roots.
D is
Equal to 0, sorry.
Yes, 4ac equal to 0. 4aq is equal to 0. So they are only giving conditions. You have to find, use b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 condition. You have to find k value. Is it clear? First question clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, come to the solution. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So this is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value 2 take it, b value k, 3, c value 3, like the just take it. You know that b square minus 4ac, find it. B square minus 4ac, k square minus 24 you will get, because 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. But what is the condition they given? Equal roots. So therefore d is equal to 0. Capital D is equal to 0. So k is equal to plus or minus 24. Understand? 24 is the factors are 4, 6 there. 4, 6, 24. So 4 will be come out. It became a 2. So plus or minus 2 root 6. All up to here, clear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, because b square minus 4ac. So this is the value. So in the question only they given you 2 equal roots. That means they have capital D is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Yes?
Yes, sir.
You have to equalize, because k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus 24, if you transpose, it will come plus 24. This is that step. Okay, now after that, this side square here, k square is there. One side square, other side?
Root.
Yes.
Root.
Pranavi, clear?
Yes, sir.
So they took 24 factors. 24 we can express as 4 6R. You can express in different ways also, no problem. So I am taking 4 6R. 1 is the perfect, 4 is the perfect square. That's why I took 4. 4, 6. So 4 into 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 4 is a perfect square. So that's why you can write outside. So it will come 2. Pranavi, clear?
Yes, sir.
So 6 is not a perfect square. That's why inside. I hope Tainiyat and all understand. Anything?
Yes, sir.
One more time I'll explain you.
No, sir. Understood.
And
Manish
copy.
sir,
Yes, yes.
I don't know why, but I'm getting the second one as k is equal to 22.
1 second, Josna, please. Let me finish first one. Okay. First, you have to multiply with kx. Kx into x, kx square. Kx into 2 minus 2kx. Okay, now plus 6. First, you have to multiply. Josna, you did?
Yes, sir.
So now, here, x square coefficient k, x coefficient minus 2k. That's why a value is k, b value is minus 2k. So c value is 6. So we know that condition d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B value minus 2k. So minus 2k square. B square minus 4ac. 4, a value k, c value 6. So here minus 2 square automatically plus 4. K square, k square. 6 fours, 24k. Tahniyat, up to clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. So, but condition is d equal to 0. So we have to apply this value equal to 0. We have to apply d is equal. Here 4k square minus 24k equal to 0 is there. If you observe, in here also k is there, here also k is there. Take k as a common. If you take k common, 4k minus 24. Dishta, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That means you can do that. K is equal to 0. However, you are not concerned. Take this value. 4k is equal to, this is value equal to 0. I'm taking this value. 4k minus 24 equal to 0. So, however, 4k is equal to 24. K is equal, what will come, children?
6.
24 by, see, 24 by 4. Josna,
Got it, sir. Got it.
where you did mistake?
Sir, I'll tell later.
Okay. So k is equal to 6. Children, these two sums are important for 2 marks. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, somebody read.
Sir, may I?
Please, please start reading. No,
Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth.
okay. So observe here, it's possible to design a rectangular mango grove, okay, whose length is twice its breadth. So length is depending on breadth. And the area. What is the area of rectangle formula, children?
Length into breadth.
Sir, L into B.
Very simple sum, very small sum. Don't worry that. So do it now. So breadth is x. So length is 2x. He said length depending on like length is twice its breadth. That's why 2x. Area we know length into breadth formula. So x into 2x is equal to 800. So x into x, 2x square. 2x square is equal to 800. So first take 2 this side. 800 by 2. 800 by 2 means you will get 400. Yes. So if you take x square is equal to, after you will get 400. So you can do like this also. X square is equal to 400. X square is equal to 400. X is equal to square root of 400. One side square, if you transport, it become a root. So 400. Square root of 400 is 20. You can express as 420 square also, square cancel. Therefore, breadth is 20 meters, length is 40 meters.
Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48.
The sum of the ages of two friends, 20 years. Two friends, 20 years. Together, 20 years. One boy is 8, another is 12. One is 15, one is 5. No, like that. We don't know that. So the present age of one friend is X, other is automatically 20 minus X because the sum is 20. 4 years ago means first friend also 4 years less. You have to subtract X minus 4. Second friend also you have to subtract. 16 minus, like 20 minus 4, like 16 minus X. According to the question, what they given? So the product of the ages is 48. So first friend age is X minus 4. Second friend is 16 minus X. Product is 48. You will get quadratic equation.